Good evening everyone, my name is John Marque Cabrera, Visayas M1B student. Bahala na attitude. Bahala na is the Filipino version of the famous line, Hakuna Matata, meaning no worries. The phrase is said to have originated from Bathala na, where Bathala means God, and the phrase meaning leaving everything into God's hand. It can also be viewed as something similar to cheerful and positive attitude of Filipino and allowing situation take care of themselves instead of worrying about them. It means the bahala na attitude reflect a Filipino perspective of adopting a carefree and optimistic approach to life, stemming from the phrase "Bathala na" meaning leaving things to God. It embodies the idea of instructing situation to a higher power and embracing a positive unlock similar to Hakuna Matata. It encourages letting go on worries and allowing circumstance to unfold without excessive concern. This attitude highlights the recently and cheerful disposition of Filipino in facing life uncertainties. Colonial mentality. Colonial mentality is regarded as a lack of patriotism and the attitude when Filipino favor forage product more than their own. These do not only concern good but also the desire to lack more forage than local and keep up with forage beauty trends. It is a tribute to the century of colonization Filipinos had under the Spanish, American, and Japanese rules. It means colonial mentality refers to a mindset influenced by the value, culture, and preference of a former colonial power. It suggests that Filipino may exhibit a lack of patriotism by favoring forage product and adopting forage culture trend over their own. This inclination of often linked to the historical impact of Spanish, American, and Japanese colonization of Filipino identity and preference. Mañana habit. This is a Filipino term for procrastination. It was derived from a longer Filipino phrase called mamayana, meaning dawling things, which could have been done at an earlier time. It is a poor habit of laziness that result in heavier workload. It means the mañana habit in a Filipino culture refers procrastination characterized by delaying tasks that could have been done early. The term is derived from the Filipino phrase mamayana, meaning dawling or putting off things. This habit reflects a tendency toward laziness, leading to increased workload and challenges in accomplishing tasks efficiently. Ningas Kugun. Ningas is a Filipino term for phlegm and kugon is a Filipino term for kugon grass that easily burns out after it put into flame. Ningas kugon refers to the attitude of eagerly starting things but quickly losing eagerness soon after experiencing the difficulty, just like how fast the fire of a cogon grass burn out moments after being ignited. Laziness is a common problem among Filipino. That is why Philippines are regarded as Juan Tamad or Lazy Juan. It means ningas kugon describe a Filipino terms for attitude where someone enthusiastically starts something but lose interest of commitment when faced with challenges akin to the quick burning out of kugon grass. This behavior is often linked to laziness, contributing to the perception of Filipinos as Juan Tamad or Lazy Juan.